Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to copy and edit text in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply step 1, see this text, double click, press Ctrl C and use for this document or another document. I example use another document, create a new layer, click the text, paste, then double click, edit anything, type anything. And step 2, see this text, press Ctrl Z, click the move tool, click and drag on your mouse. See this inserted to this text, not sense. Double click and edit any text. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.